KFC London. This bag literally weighs a lot. What should we start with first? Okay. Let's see here. I got the wrong receipt. So we're just gonna wing it. Okay. We got the twister wrap. No, the Supercharger. Supercharger. Let's try it with sauce. I got spicy Supercharger mayo. Yum. Let me swallow. Because I took a very large bite. It's like sitting right here. Okay. It's so saucy. Like the slaw. Put her to the side for right now. Okay. Oh, that'd be so good. Gravy. We'll come back. Okay. I got like barbecue bites and like sweet chili bites. Okay. Oh yeah. I think I got some of the extra sweet chili. Got extra of that. Okay. Making it. You guys, I gotta dip the Supercharger in the gravy because it was so good. Y'all know I love my gravy. Okay. Oh. Okay. Barbecue bites. Y'all know I don't love barbecue sauce. Not bad. But, yeah, okay. And then we got, oh my God, that looks heavenly. Look at that. It's a rice bowl. So we've got chicken, which looks like American gravy. We got rice over a salad. So we've got to get our greens in. Okay, so it's not gravy. It's more of a salad dressing, but it is good. It is vegan. Like, okay, love this. Love, 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 love. So good. Okay. Let's move on. Let's move on. I got spicy chicken wings. I'm obviously going to dip them in gravy because I'm here for this. Hell yeah. Spicy wings and gravy. 10 out of 10. Okay, this one is new and limited time. The ultimate barbecue burger, but it's not a burger, it's actually a chicken sandwich because they don't do burgers. LOL to me saying I don't like barbecue. Can I just like go ahead and dip it in this? Not bad, but they had a zinger sandwich with just cheese and the spicy zinger sauce. That would be my go-to. Quick little bite for the That is unbelievable. Okay, girls, we got a mini wrap. I think she's a mini zinger wrap. I don't know. But we're gonna gravy it because absolute perfection. Absolute perfection. Do I want to try the sweet sticky chili sauce? Yeah, I do. I'd like everyone to know that we walked 19 miles today, so this is my favorite sauce, but the gravy really just does it for me. It's really good. I guess I got a piece of chicken. Should I do gravy? Sweet chili sauce gravy. Gravy. Gravy me, baby. I mean, absolute 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. So freaking good. Unbelievable. Okay. Holy nickel. The chicken and the chili. chili sauce. I'm gonna need to bring these sauces home and like pick some of y'all to send them to, because Domino's garlic and herb sauce, KFC sticky sweet chili sauce are incredible. All right, I'm gonna share with everyone else. Finger licking good, baby. Finger licking good. KFC, London. Okay, peace.